ಒಂದು ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ. ಹೌ ಯು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್?
When you say commercial things, what exactly are you?
Sorry?
Commercial, when you say...
aspect. So you are offering discount for the people, no? So have you thought about the costs and the profit, all the things?
So basically what our endeavor was to create a complete shopping experience. That was to start with. And so basically we wanted to create something different. As Kamakshi already said that, we have a plan for 100 days. And this was creating a complete shopping experience. We didn't want people to just come and do a normal shopping. So it was a combination of complete shopping, entertainment, and customer engaging with each other. So it's a complete destination where we are creating people to come together, enjoy the cultural activities that we have, also enjoy the great deals that we have specifically given. So in terms of deals, as Kamakshi already said, that we have a bracket of 2,500, 5,000, 7,500. However, we have a lot of surprise gifts, a lot of surprise rewards which have been planned out, which will be a surprise for each and every customer over here. So this 100 days, we will keep announcing something different or the other each day, each week. So we want people to come, experience the excitement, get surprises. There will be spot announcements and there will be a spot participations as well. So
Madam Shriya was telling in the beginning that someone of you will be getting the car Volkswagen Virtual.
Yes.
Whose plan is that?
So I think it's a complete plan of our, it's a tradition that we have been following for the last 15 years. And we have this festival. Yes, we have made it more bigger this time. Rather than last time we used to do it for 45 to 50 days. But this time we have taken a plunge to take it for 100 days. And a bumper prize was always a part of this. But yes, we have improved our benchmarks so that we can attract more eyeballs, we can attract more customers, and that was the intent.
ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಯಾರೋ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Have you fixed the amount like that? If you shop for 5,000, you will be getting offer, or if you shop for 5,000, you will be getting car. Like that, have you fixed any amount like that? He is asking.
Minimum and maximum. ಅಂದರೆ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
How benefit to the people?
So minimum spending of 7,500 is something that will make you eligible for the bumper prize. But we are not disappointing anybody else. So as earlier mentioned, we have various brackets for various different awards. So we have a lot of electronics, home goods, and various. I don't want to open the surprise right now. So there'll be a lot which will coming up. So but yes, to answer your question, 7,500 minimum for you to get eligible for the bumper car.
ಸ್ವಾದಿಷ್ಟತೆಯ ಸ್ವಾದ, ತಾಜಾತನದ ಆಹ್ಲಾದ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ ಶ್ರೀ ವೈದಿಕ್ ಮಿಲೆಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಪತ್ತು.